Schlage smart locks, like the Encode and Encode Plus models, sometimes malfunction after replacing batteries. This happens due to motor misalignment or issues with sensor calibration. The power interruption during battery change can disrupt the lock's internal clock or motor synchronization, causing it to not function correctly. In such cases, the lock typically needs a reset or recalibration to restore proper operation. To prevent issues, always use 4 new AA alkaline or lithium-ion batteries. These provide the stable power needed for your Schlage lock. Ensure correct polarity by inserting batteries with the positive end first. This ensures proper electrical flow and prevents damage. Remove old batteries completely, then wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow the lock's capacitors to fully discharge. This clears any residual power. Avoid mixing battery types, as voltage differences between alkaline and lithium-ion can cause errors and instability in the lock's operation. Proper battery installation is key to a smooth transition and prevents common lock failures after battery changes. If your Schlage lock isn't working after a battery change, perform a hard reset to resolve the issue. First, remove all 4 batteries from the lock. Next, press and hold the Schlage button, either inside or outside the lock, for 10 to 15 seconds until you hear a beep or see lights flash. Then, reinsert the batteries. This process resets the lock's internal state and often resolves the battery-related issues. After a reset, calibrate the lock. Use the Schlage app to initiate a motor calibration test. Alternatively, manually cycle the lock 10 to 15 times while pressing the button to realign the deadbolt. Ensure the lock is in the unlocked position during this process to prevent jamming. Battery changes can sometimes cause the Schlage lock to lose its connection with your smart home hub, whether it's using Z-Wave or Bluetooth technology. To troubleshoot this, first reset your hub by power cycling it to clear any cached connection data. Next, ensure the lock is positioned close enough to the hub for a stable connection, typically within 100 to 150 feet indoors, depending on your home layout. Finally, resync the lock through your hub's mobile app by following the device pairing process to restore full functionality. Once resynced, your lock should work normally again. If a reset and calibration fail, there may be a deeper issue with the lock mechanism. First, check for physical obstructions that might prevent the deadbolt from moving freely. Inspect the mechanism for debris or misalignment. Next, inspect the motor for any signs of damage, including unusual noises during operation or resistance when turning. If the issues continue after these checks, contact Schlage support for assistance or consult a professional locksmith. Avoid disassembling the lock yourself unless you are experienced, as this can void the warranty or cause additional damage. Smart locks are evolving towards self-healing capabilities. Schlage integrates predictive maintenance through app notifications that alert users to calibration needs before battery failure occurs. Battery-free locks using kinetic energy harvesting are emerging, eliminating battery-related issues entirely. Over-the-air firmware updates will automate fixes, significantly reducing the need for manual resets. User error during battery changes is the most common cause of Schlage lock issues. Use manufacturer-provided video tutorials for proper guidance on battery replacement and troubleshooting. Always follow correct battery installation and reset procedures to prevent misalignment. If problems persist after following these steps, seek professional help from a locksmith. Keep your Schlage lock's firmware updated for optimal performance and security. Following these guidelines will help ensure your Schlage lock operates reliably.